So one of the key things about the strip tillage into a living mulch trial is the contents of the living mulch. Now there's loads and loads of options. It's something we play around with at the farm a lot anyway, is the makeup of our cover crop mixes. But with this trial specifically, we're trying two different mixes. One is a kind of tried and tested mix, and that's this one here, and that's a white clover with yellow trefoil. Now we already use this on the farm a lot for undersowing crops, but we always sow this after we've established the crop. It's a low growing mix, so it doesn't outcompete the cash crop itself. Now, we're fairly sure this mix will work quite well, but there's only two species in this mix. So one of the things I'm really excited about trialing is really going kind of like all guns blazing with a full natural multi-species mix, which is what we've got here. So this has got something like 42 different species in it. 5 or 6 kinds of clover, 2 kinds of grasses, and well over 20 different kinds of wildflowers and herbs. We're trying to mimic a truly diverse, naturally growing ecosystem. Now there's question marks over whether this will outcompete our cash crop. So the way we're doing it in a trial is we have a control, and that control will be the way we used to grow crops, which is tilling a whole area. So working in a cover crop, tilling to a bare soil, and then growing a cash crop in it and weeding it as we normally do. The second area is using the clover and trefoil mix, which is a low growing understory for the cash crop, which we think will probably not outcompete the cash crop itself. And then the bit I'm really excited and interested in and willing to work is the really complex multi-species mix. Nature does diversity everywhere. Nowhere does just 2 species of plant grow on their own. So what we really do, especially as organic farmers, is we're trying to mimic natural processes. And this really is trying to do that right up and amongst our crops.